Okay, I'm just gonna start with the new side that I haven't touched yet to show how I start. So I'm gonna start on either side. This side has an even number of, like fringed groups, which is ideal. The other side has an odd number, but I'm just gonna work around it. So first I'm gonna split each grouping roughly in half. I'm not counting, this is a personal piece. If I was doing this for someone, I would use a ruler and I wouldn't be eyeballing it so much, but I'm not terribly concerned when it's my own piece. So I've broken them into 4 pieces instead of 2, and I'm going to put the 2 in the middle together. I see my other cat thinking about joining us. So we're going to put one over the center. I'm going to come over this one and then through this little hole right here. And you can see how it does this. And I want these fairly close to the top up here by the cloth to start with. And then I'm going to do it in reverse. I'm going to put this side over the center grouping, over and through, maybe if my hands will work. And just tighten it down. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the next set. And then I'll show you what I do when you get to the second row. So I'm going to get these split up. Again, if I was doing this for a customer, I would be more exact on splitting things. So if you're going to do it for other people, I would, kind of count threads and use a ruler to make sure that you're getting your knots even. But this is a personal piece. So I'm going to go over the center grouping again, over and through, and I'm going to tighten that down. I'm going to bring it about where I want it, because the first knot will stop the second knot. So you get that first knot about where you want it. And then we're going to go in reverse. I'm going to take the right side over the center grouping, go over that, and then up here through and tighten it down. So that's how the first row is made. And the second row, I'm going to leave that because that's going to join something over there. And then I'm going to break the center, where you combined 2, I'm going to break that in half and set part of it over there. I'm going to take this right here and break this center grouping in half. So now I should have 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to move these to the center. Cross over, over and through, and decide about where you want that second knot. I like that. So I'm gonna now do the opposite, over, over, and through. And then I'm just gonna tighten it down. And that is an alternating square knot. You can see that this is a little loose, and so I'm just going to hold the one that's not so loose and tighten that one down. And now you're starting to see a pattern. I hope that helps.